Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I guess it's all about the mindset. It's all about the mindset. It's that attitude that takes one person from this position to that position. Resources don't matter. Um, what do you have, what you don't have, what sort of a perspective you come from, what privileges do you have or you don't have. I mean, there have been experiences, there have been so many um, you know, uh, how should I say, results and these people who've actually utilized and changed their mindset
Hmm.
from this to that and changed how their life, changed completely their life.
Hmm.
So I believe it's the attitude
Hmm.
that makes you from man A to man B.
That's so true. That's so true. Mindset is the beginning of everything for sure. An innovative product or idea in the current e-commerce, retail, or tech landscape that you feel excited about.
I guess it's the how you have Dell, for example, just-in-time manufacturing. I guess clothing, just-in-time manufacturing is something that is going to be there. I mean, it is already there partially, but just-in-time manufacturing. Imagine that you see something, an idea, or you
Hmm.
create an idea online through different AI tools. The moment you do it, you press enter, and within 2 hours, it gets delivered to you in a physical t-shirt or a
Hmm.
physical jacket, even though it's complicated, but it gets delivered to you. So I guess that is something that I'm really, really excited about because fashion is something that is never going to end. It is just going to keep on evolving.
Hmm.
And the faster you evolve, and especially along with that, I believe smart technology when it comes to integrating nanofibers into the garment itself, that is something that is super exciting because it is going to be a disruptor. It is going to be a complete disruptor for so many things, medical devices, health, everything, clothing, whatever it is going to disrupt a lot of things, a lot of industries.
Very interesting. A business or productivity tool or software that you would recommend, or a productivity tip?
Definitely we do use a lot of these tools. One of them would be, let's say, Trello or Slack, where we do definitely manage all our pipelines, and it helps us to maintain and see and be on the same page in across the organization. So definitely that's one of the tools that we use, and it's lovely. Um, so in terms of tip, you were asking?
No, that's good. I mean, you shared the
Yeah.
tool. It
Yeah,
was it
yeah.
was a
I mean,
tool or
that's the tool
tool
I
or
would
the
recommend right now. Yes. Yeah.
no, that's great. Those are great tools for sure. Another startup or business, it could be in e-commerce, retail, or tech that you think is currently doing great things.
Hmm.
Any other business that you feel excited
In
about?
terms of same industry?
It doesn't matter. It could be anything, e-commerce, retail, technology, anything that maybe you use that you really like.
Okay. So interestingly, I believe these rings that you're getting these days, the devices that you wear,
Okay,
um,
yeah.
tap into your health. They are doing amazingly, amazingly well. Something that is really, compact, but at the same time, uh, giving you an amazing detail about your whole health and everything. I guess